Most people think only humans hold grudges. That's dead wrong. Some animals remember exactly who wronged them, and they will make you pay, sometimes years later. Number 7. Crows. Researchers at the University of Washington wore a specific mask while trapping crows on campus. When those scientists walked around wearing the same mask years later, crows that weren't even part of the original trapping would scream, dive bomb, and mob them. The crows had taught their children which human face to hate, a grudge passed down through generations. And it gets worse. Brain scans show crows activate the same fear and aggression pathways that mammals use. They're not just reacting, they're remembering. Number 6. Elephants. There's a famous case from India. A wild elephant destroyed a village, tore through homes, trampled crops. It seemed random, but locals realized this was the same elephant a poacher had injured with a spear 10 years earlier. It came back to the exact village where it was attacked. Elephants have the largest brain of any land animal. They recognize individual humans by voice, by smell, and by sight. When researchers played recordings of voices from the Maasai tribe, who historically hunt elephants, the elephants became aggressive and defensive, but voices from another tribe caused no reaction at all. Number 5. Camels. In the Middle East, there are documented cases of camels attacking their owners months or even years after being mistreated. One case from Saudi Arabia involved a camel that was tied up in extreme heat for hours. The owner eventually freed it. A year later, that camel grabbed the man by the neck and threw him to the ground. Camel herders in the region know this. They say you can beat a camel once, but you better never let it see your face again. Number 4. Tigers. In 1997 in Siberia, a poacher named Vladimir Markov stole food from a tiger's kill. He also wounded the tiger with a gunshot. That tiger tracked Markov's scent trail through the snow for 48 hours. Not wandering, tracking, with purpose. When the tiger found Markov's cabin, it destroyed everything that smelled like him. Boots, clothes, mattress. Then it waited outside in the freezing cold for Markov to come home. The tiger waited for over 12 hours. When Markov finally returned, the tiger killed him. Number 3. Dolphins. Dolphins have a reputation for being friendly, but they have a darker side that most people never see. Marine biologists have observed dolphins singling out specific individuals from other species, and even from their own pod, for repeated harassment. They will chase, ram, and isolate a target over days or weeks. It's not random aggression. They choose a specific victim and stay locked on. Dolphins are one of the few animals that pass the mirror test. They know who they are, and they know exactly who they're tormenting. Number 2. Wasps. Paper wasps can recognize individual faces, not just species, individual faces. When a wasp stings you and you swat at it, it releases a chemical alarm pheromone. That marks you. Other wasps in the colony now associate your face and your scent with a threat. They will single you out the next time you walk past their nest. Some researchers believe wasps can hold this chemical grudge for the entire season. One bad encounter, and the whole colony is after you for months. And number 1, cuttlefish. Cuttlefish might be the most devious grudge holders in the entire animal kingdom. Experiments show that cuttlefish remember which researchers gave them their preferred food and which ones gave them something they didn't like. The cuttlefish that were given the bad food would refuse to eat in front of that specific researcher, but eat happily in front of the generous one. They can also recognize individual humans through the glass of their tanks. They'll squirt water at researchers they don't like. Only those specific people. Every single time. 7 animals, 7 grudges, and every single one of them proves the same thing. Memory plus intelligence equals revenge. If you found this terrifying, hit like, and subscribe to POV-Science for more of the wildest animal behavior on Earth.